are some simple rules for naming variables. Variable name should start with a letter or an underscore. They cannot start with a number. They cannot contain spaces, so use an underscore instead. Also avoid using special symbols. In this example, we are going to print two variables, name and age. First we write our name variable, then we store victory inside the name variable, surrounded with double quotes because it's a string. Then in the next line, write our age variable, store our age in the variable. Then we use the print function on the name variable and also the age variable to get the output. Variables can store new values. That's exactly what we are doing. The values will in this example, we're going to create age variable and two age variables. The first age variable store number 16. Then use our print function in the next line. Then the second age variable will store the age 16 and use our print to the next line. Then get the output from. Now it's your turn. Type the following code. Replace the examples with your own information and run the code. The assignment is simple. Just create three variables: your name, your age, your favorite color. Print all three, take a screenshot of your code and output and send it to our WhatsApp group. Congratulations, you've just completed lesson 2. Today we learned what variables are, why they are important, and how to create and use them in Python. If you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. If you like to learn